Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you have a glass stove, you know it can be such a struggle to get that thing looking shiny once you've cooked on it, even just a few times. Cerama Bryte has this really nice kit, and I love that it comes with everything you need. Here is my stove. Doesn't look awful, but look at it after I use this product. So much better. So like I said, it comes with everything you need in this kit. It comes with this really nice scraper. It's in a handle, so it's very ergonomic, and it makes it so much easier to scrape off all that dirt and grime. Look at all that stuff that I am getting off. So satisfying when you're cleaning and you see good results. Then it comes with these really nice scrubber pads, but it's really nice because it has a nice handle. So you slide the little scrubber pad in, and there's little grooves on this thing that keep it in place. So while you're scrubbing this cleaner on your stove, it also is really easy to do because of this handle. You only need about a quarter size little drop of this stuff, so I probably used a little too much, but I was so eager to get my stove looking nice and shiny again. Once you've scrubbed it clean, you just wipe all of the cleaner off with a rag or a paper towel, and you have a shiny new cooktop. Look at that. So exciting. I hope you get the same satisfaction from this product as it has brought me when I clean my stove.
And that's my point of view.